Hi, hope you all are very good today. Christmas decorations in London are a dazzling spectacle, transforming the city into a winter wonderland. Iconic streets like Oxford Regent Streets, two of the most busiest shopping districts in London, become radiant showcases for Christmas lights. The twinkling displays, often themed and synchronized, create a magical atmosphere for those strolling along these iconic streets. They often feature majestic golden angels suspended above the street. These iconic figures create a celestial and enchanting atmosphere. These twinkling lights line up the grand buildings. The soft glow of these lights impart a warm and inviting ambience to the entire street. Even the high-end prestigious department stores contribute to the city's festive ambience with elegant decorations, window displays, and Christmas-themed installations that reflect their unique styles. Christmas decorations in Carnaby Street are a unique and vibrant spectacle, showcasing the area's trend-setting spirit. This is also one of my favorite Christmas decorations in the city. Carnaby Street is known for its unconventional and artistic approach to Christmas decorations. Each year, a new and innovative theme is unveiled, reflecting the area's creative and trend-setting identity. The street comes alive with an explosion of colors, creating a visually stunning display. Vibrant lights, bold decorations, and artistic installations contribute to the festive atmosphere, making Carnaby Street a beacon of holiday cheer. Carnaby's Christmas decorations often feature quirky and unconventional designs that set it apart from traditional displays. The area embraces its reputation for pushing boundaries and offers a fresh take on festive aesthetics. Oversized Christmas ornaments and decorations adorn the street, turning it into a playful and whimsical space. These larger-than-life displays add an element of surprise and delight for visitors. Carnaby Street has been at the forefront of incorporating sustainable and eco-friendly elements into its Christmas decorations. The area often showcases innovative designs that highlight environmental consciousness, aligning with contemporary values. Some of the Christmas displays in Carnaby streets are even interactive, encouraging visitors to engage with the festive decorations. These installations create a dynamic and immersive experience for those exploring the area. Carnaby Street collaborates with brands, artists, and designers to create these themed Christmas displays. These collaborations infuse the decorations with a diverse range of influences, making each year's presentation a fresh and exciting experience. The individual shops and retailers along Carnaby Street actively participate in the festive decor, aligning their storefronts with the overall theme. This collaborative effort enhances the cohesive and visually appealing nature of the decorations. The decorations in Carnaby Street truly come to life at night, with illuminated displays casting a warm and enchanting glow. The nighttime atmosphere adds an extra layer of magic to the festive experience. This street has its annual Christmas light switch on event, which marks the official start of the holiday season in the area. The event is often accompanied by live performances, entertainment, and a joyful celebration that attracts locals and visitors alike. Carnaby Street's Christmas decorations represent a dynamic fusion of creativity, innovation, and a commitment to embracing the unconventional. The festive displays contribute to the street's reputation as a trend-setting destination, inviting everyone to experience the holidays in a uniquely Carnaby way. From music performances to fashion shows and art exhibitions, the area continues to be a dynamic cultural hub that reflects the ever-evolving trends of London. Whether you are a fashion enthusiast, a foodie, or someone who would like to immerse in London's creative spirit, Carnaby Street offers a unique and memorable experience. Also, the tourism sector experiences a significant boost during the Christmas season in London as the city transforms into a festive haven, attracting visitors from around the globe. Christmas time, especially in London, is like a fairy tale come to life. The city's streets, landmarks, and shopping districts are adorned with enchanting Christmas lights and decorations. Embracing the festive magic moments is one of my many passions. Christmas in London holds a special place in my heart, as the city transforms into a magical wonderland of lights, joy, and festive cheer. And I love capturing these beautiful holiday moments that twinkle with joy and warmth. Join me in this enchanting journey as I explore the glittering decorations, heartwarming traditions, and the festive spirit that paints London in the most delightful hues, and also the dazzling lights, heartwarming celebrations, and the spirit of togetherness during this magical season. I'm very passionate about exploring festivals around the world. I love to capture the essence of each festival, sharing the joy, traditions, and diverse cultural expressions with my audience. Let's embark on a global journey to immerse ourselves in a vibrant tapestry of cultural celebrations. Get a front row seat to the beauty of global festivities. From the dazzling lights of Diwali to the festive cheer of Christmas, I cheer the moments that bring people together in celebration. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with every shimmering detail and share in the joy of the holidays. Let's make memories together and keep the spirit of the season alive. Join me in this exhilarating journey to experience the magic of festivals that unite humanity in joyous harmony. Merry Christmas to all of you. Take care.